This is a GCS News Break.
Today at Northwest Guilford High School, we are hosting our first vendor showcase. Our accounting 1 and 2 students are taking the lead on that. I applied for a grant with Truliant Foundation to start a student store so that the students could get real life practice and so that they can apply those principles that they were learning in class. And so today is our first day and we're excited. We're launching this store for CTE and the students are excited. They're working and they have really worked hard to prepare for today. Breaking Bread is the name of our student store and it came up from a concept from students. I thought about it as a concept. Why don't we present the opportunity to break our knowledge into money, and that's pretty much how the concept came up. I have students who have self-made cotton candy. I have artists who are face painting. Some of the students have made some of the products. I have students that are learning how to use some of our accounting systems, selling at the concessions.
We were talking about ways we could raise money for the school to help beautify really and make the school look nicer, and take care of some of the like CTE parts, like the CTE building, update some of that. So we decided to get these vendors here today to sell products and help us raise money towards beautification of our school. This is probably the most hands-on experience I've had with accounting, but it is a great experience. It is extremely student-led, and we're all out here actually doing things, anything from cleaning up to recording the transactions going on, making sure that any mobile pays are coming through properly, cards are being used properly. It's really hands-on and we are actually getting a good learning experience out of this.
Some of the students want to own their own businesses, and in accounting, of course, money is always important to have a business. You want to make money, and so the students are learning how to journalize those transactions that they're having every day, and that they're using the money wisely. They're putting themselves on a budget. And the students are also working on becoming QuickBooks certified. So those are important skills to have in order to be able to run a business effectively.
We're doing online payments as well, and so just making sure that they have the cash going out of their account and into ours, and making sure that everything's flowing correctly, making sure nothing's lost in the process, and making sure it's all equal and even. I'm a really visual learner, and so being able to see it firsthand and being able to help and be hands-on to something really helps me lock in all of the stuff we've been learning.
Math, science, English, all of those are very important because they lay the foundation for our students. However, most of them go into these fields unprepared, and what we're doing here at Northwest in the CTE department is preparing them for that, to be ready for the workforce.
This has been a GCS News Break.